If you're planning to start a business in Idaho, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Idaho even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why form an LLC in Idaho? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means your personal finances are better shielded from business debts and legal liabilities. You have flexibility and taxation. That means Idaho LLCs offer flexible management structures whether you want to run the business yourself or if you want to appoint managers. And of course, you have zero annual fees. Idaho does not charge an annual report filing fee for LLCs, which means fewer recurring costs and more money staying in your business each year. And you have a business-friendly environment. Idaho makes it easier for small business to start, grow, and thrive. One of the most crucial steps in creating your business is choosing the name of your LLC. Now, your LLC name must be unique and include a limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. You have to avoid restricted words like bank or insurance, government, or bureau unless approved. Now, if you wanted to check the availability of your desired business name, I want you to go to the Idaho Secretary of State Business Search website. Here, enter your desired business name. If there are no matching results, your name is available and good to go, which you can reserve for up to 120 days before official filing, ensuring its availability. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every Idaho LLC must have a registered agent because they are the ones that receives the legal and state documents. They must have a physical address in Idaho. You can hire an individual or a professional service if you want privacy and convenience. And we highly recommend using Northwest Registered Agent because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now, it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Organization, which is going to be one of the critical documents. Now, for you to be able to do this, I want you to visit the Idaho Secretary of State website. You can choose between the online or mail filing. You'll have to provide the LLC name, registered agent information, management type, it could be member manage or manager manage. And then there is going to be a filing fee of online, which is going to be $100, and by mail, which is going to be $120. Once approved, your LLC is officially registered. Idaho doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but it's highly recommended because an operating agreement defines ownership and roles, explains profit sharing, helps protect your limited liability status. You don't file this with the state, you just keep it for your records. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Also, do not forget to check your city or county for any local licenses or permits and register with the state agencies if applicable. You can simply file the Form IBRS with the Idaho State Tax Commission and the Department of Labor, especially if your Idaho LLC has employees, makes retail sales, or provides lodging. Or if you are a single member LLC with no employees, this type may not be required. However, requirements can vary by industry and location, so it's always good to confirm with local authorities to stay compliant. Here are some things you'll want to consider to stay on track with your Idaho LLC. I know it's not easy to create an LLC. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Idaho. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, because this process is super simple, and let's start with the order section. This is the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you're forming your LLC, which is in Idaho, and the total cost before payment. So think of it as your checkout overview. Now, the company section collects the basic details of your business, including the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. You also need to provide the business address, because this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, the management section is how you define your LLC is gonna be. So you can choose from a member managed, which means owners like you run the business, or if you want to hire managers who will run the business for you. If you are not sure what type you want to use, just click the question mark icon, because this will help you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. You can also list the names of members or managers. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this private. Now, the next is going to be the contact section, which is going to be your personal information. Provide your phone number, your name, your email address, your business address, because Northwest uses this to send filing updates, notify you of legal documents, and of course give you access to this account. Now, don't worry, because this information is not made public. However, within the account setup, this creates your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, and confirm login details. Once you've done that, this account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, if you want to add another service, which is called the business identity, you can do that for a free 90-day trial, which will help you establish your LLC's official identity. Now, these optional items like tax ID, all these are here if you wanted to have more add-on services. But thing is, you can safely skip all these if you prefer to handle them yourself. And the last option is going to be the payment section, wherein just provide your credit or debit card details, and of course review the total costs and the final confirmation before submission, because once paid, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Idaho, which is one of the states that's business friendly, affordable, and simple, and of course one of the best options for you. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.